Sudo on Windows. Yes, you heard it right. Sudo command now is available on Windows systems. Microsoft introduced the Sudo.exe in the recent updates of Windows. But you need to go to the settings and activate it. Hi and welcome to this video. Our video today is going to be about the new feature on Windows, which is sudo. And sudo is a command that lets the users run commands on behalf of other users. And by default on Unix systems, it's the super user or the root user. So it has more privilege than a normal user, which means it introduces also a kind of security risks because the high privilege that this command has. As you can see on my screen, I have a Linux terminal on the left side and I have a Windows PowerShell on the right side. Let's start with sudo on Linux with man sudo. And here you see the description. Sudo allows a permitted user to execute a command as the super user. And now let's try to run it in the Windows PowerShell. And here, as you see, we have the sudo command, the usage sudo.exe, and run a command as admin. And here we have some options. Now let's move to activating the sudo on Windows. We need to go to settings. Let me make the screen bigger and then system. And then for developers, and here at the bottom, we have enable sudo. There is an important note here. Running the sudo command could expose your device and personal data to security risks or harm your device. So be careful when using it. And if you want to know more about the sudo command, there is this learn more. And when we click on learn more, we will get this page here. And on this page, you will find really a lot of useful information about using the sudo command. And here we have the prerequisites, and the sudo for Windows command is available just on Windows 11 and might be available on Windows 10, but in future. And here we have a screenshot showing where can we activate the sudo. And here we have kind of explanation on how to configure sudo for Windows. We have here three options. We can run it in a window, input closed, and we can run it inline. There is like really good explanation here, so you can go over it and just read it. And here we have an explanation how to use it, and it's exactly like Unix systems. And here we have the security considerations about the sudo command, and here we have like some general information. And here we can find a good explanation about the difference between the run as and the sudo command. I'm not going to get into details because if you are watching, this means that you know what sudo means. At the end, the addition of sudo on Windows is just another step in bridging the gap between Linux and Windows environments. Whether you are a developer, a sysadmin, or just someone who loves command line tools, this is a feature you are going to want to explore. What do you think? Will this make your life easier? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.